Hi guys, Chef Andabwa here reporting on duty. On today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make mahamri dough. So this is about 500 grams of flour. I add salt to taste, of course. Next up I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of yeast. Yes, 2 teaspoons of yeast. Next I am going to add a handful of sugar. That's about 3 tablespoons of sugar. And if you're a sweet tooth like myself, unaweza ongeza like another tablespoon there. So, but usieke mob, otherwise the yeast won't rise. The yeast won't be activated. So next up I'm going to add about a tablespoon of Blue Band. Kama uko na butter unaweza tumia butter. Personally I just had Blue Band, so I used Blue Band. So that's a tablespoon of Blue Band. Make sure you rub it in using your fingers na si palms zako. Sawa? And you have to do this to precision. Ndio unga na Blue Band ilainike kabisa. Like there shouldn't be no traces of Blue Band. Next up I add vanilla essence. You can add vanilla essence, you can add cardamom pods, iliki yani. Yeah, it just depends on what kind of flavor you're going for. Once you've added that, unaongeza warm water pole pole. So water depends on how firm you want your dough to be. So I'm going to say about half to 50 ml of water. So just keep kneading ukiongeza maji mdogo mdogo hadi hiyo unga, hadi hiyo dough ikuwe firm, as I am doing as per the video. Mcheki. So the secret here is unaeka tu maji mdogo mdogo. Maji isizidi unga. Manake maji ikizidi unga utatengeneza uji wa ngano, na hapa hatutaki uji wa ngano, tutataka mahamri. So when adding water, just pole pole kwa utaratibu. Mombasani hapa twasema kwa utaratibu, kwa aste aste. Shanaelewa? Yes, just kidogo. Now once that is done, you need to continue kneading the dough for about an extra, say 10 minutes. Ndio hiyo unga ilainike kabisa. And it's very easy. There you have it, guys. For 10 minutes hiyo unga ilainike kabisa, ndo yeast idisperse across all borders of your dough, ndo kukuwe na evenness kwa mahamri zako. Na mahamri zako zinafaa kutokea hivi. So shangazi, mjomba, daddy, mom, sister, brother, kama mahamri zako hazijatokea hivi, you did it wrong. Do it again.